Welcome to the fourth video in this tutorial series. How to start your family history. But before we get started, please like, subscribe, and click the notification button to see more videos like this. Also, let us know in the comments what tutorials and how-to videos you would like to see created in the near future. So let's get started. Lesson 3. Determine where to start. At the end of the last lesson, you would have had a semi-completed pedigree chart. Kindly open it up now, so we can take a look at it. When you have it open in front of you, what we are looking for is blank areas in the chart which indicate what we do not know, or, more importantly, what is not 100% accurate. Remember, as family historians, we do not accept any data unless it has authentic sources and has been proven to be correct. So, from our chart, we now know we need to find the following: our parents' marriage date, our mother's birth and possibly death date, Joe Blow's birth date, Joe Blow and Alice White's marriage date, Alice White's death date, Jessie Black's birth, marriage and death date, and then finally, from this particular chart, Jessie Black's wife's name, birth, and death date. Now go through your own chart in the same manner and write down all the information that is currently blank and requires you to undertake further research. In the next video, we will look at how you can go about finding out what information may already exist and how you can use it to start filling in some of the blanks.